Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use multiple emails on one Gmail account. So before we start, I just want to say that this will work over on your iPhone, Android and a desktop version, as long as you are using the Gmail app and no other email app basically. So do make sure you have the Gmail app just like this. And now in order to use multiple emails and create variations of your emails, what you need to do is first of all click on compose, and then what you need to do is, for example, just type in your own email. So you're going to type in your own email just like this. So my email is justinusage1, just like this. And now let's say I want to add a second email basically. I want to create another email within this email account. What I can simply do is add a plus, just like this. And then what you can do is type in whatever you want. So I'm going to type in contact, and then I can simply add gmail.com, just like this. And then what you simply need to do is click on the one you just created. So literally right now what we did is we typed in our normal email, but we left the @gmail.com, and before we typed in @gmail.com we added a plus icon, and then you can, after that plus icon, you can literally type in whatever you want. And after you've typed whatever you want, you can add @gmail.com, and when you do that it will basically create a second email. However, all of those emails will still be sent to basically that same inbox, and that's basically how you can use second emails. We can literally see I just send it, and within that email inbox I literally send it to myself, but we can see that I actually send it to this email right here, justinusage1, plus icon contact@gmail.com. So this was not my original email, as you guys can see right here. However, it will still get there because we are using that plus icon extension, which literally allows you to create and use multiple emails on one Gmail account. So yeah, that's all we need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.